Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your geometry final exam. First, gather all your course materials, including notes, textbooks, and any practice problems. Next, dedicate time to reviewing fundamental definitions, postulates, and theorems. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding more complex concepts. Finally, take a diagnostic practice test to pinpoint your weakest areas, allowing you to focus your study efforts effectively. To truly master geometry, consistent practice is key. Work through a wide variety of problems from every chapter, ensuring you cover all topic types. Don't just memorize answers, strive to understand the underlying steps and reasoning for each solution. For complex figures, practice drawing accurate diagrams. This visual representation can significantly aid in problem solving and understanding spatial relationships. Active recall is a powerful study technique. Create flashcards for all essential terms, formulas, and theorems to test your memory. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud or even teach them to a friend. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Consistent, regular review of material you've already covered is vital for long-term retention, ensuring the information stays fresh in your mind. On exam day, preparation extends beyond just studying. Ensure you get a full 8 hours of sleep the night before to optimize your cognitive function. Arrive early, feeling calm and prepared, with all necessary tools such as a calculator, ruler, and pencils. During the exam, read all instructions very carefully and manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate time to each section or problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.